How to unblock someone on the Snapchat. So hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you that how you can unblock someone on your Snapchat. So it's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, to unblock someone on the Snapchat, you will have to follow some steps. So open the Snapchat app and tap on your Bitmoji icon in the top left corner of the screen. And after that, open on the profile page, tap the gear icon in the top right corner of the Snapchat screen. Now scroll down and select block to see a list of all the Snapchat users that have been blocked by your account. So you will have to search for the block option. You can see the blocked option, and there you find the people that you have blocked. As you can see that I have no blocked Snapchatters, so thereby I found this option. From the list, locate the users you need to be unblocked and then tap the X icon next to their name. And on the confirmation pop-up, select yes to unblock that user. So guys, after unblocking someone, you will need to manually add them as a friend again to restore all communications with them. And once they have been unblocked and added as a friend, they can send you snaps and chat with you and view your stories as before. Guys, if you accidentally block someone and you want to unblock them, these steps will help you easily reverse the action and restore communication with the unblocker user. Hope you guys like my video.